Well, hey, fancy seeing you here at the Mini Max 1030R Bill with me, Scott. Since our last episode, I have been to the hardware store, got me some more varnish, and got me a new little coping saw over there, and laid out the workbench, got it all cleaned up, sanded off. And I got the lines on here for the horizontal stabilizer. The front spar is right here. I'm finishing up, and I've got the wood right there to do the rear spar for the stabilizer and the front spar for the elevator. So, wouldn't you know it, it's another beautiful day here that God's given us here in southeastern Virginia. Unbelievably beautiful. All right, first thing you gotta do, get the factory finished stuff off this plywood here. I got my wood pile. Wood pile is slowly going down. When I run out of wood, it means I'm done, right? Wax on, wax off. I don't know if you noticed, but a lot of elbow grease is going into this. Y'all aren't seeing most of it. Like I told you before, probably for every 1 hour of what y'all are seeing on YouTube, probably got 4 or 6 hours, I don't know, other work going on in the background. Not all of it's on the plane. Like I spent 2 hours the other day riding down the road to the hardware store and getting stuff. Spent an hour working on the bench. Here's a little cooking saw I was talking about. Just need it, like when I'm doing little notches on this. Otherwise, the murder weapon over there works real good. Hope y'all having a good day today. I'm having a busy day. We've got a lot of work going on. I just finished up. Put in my 9 hours or so. What I usually do is I get done doing that, and then I do a little more work on a computer at night sometimes. When it's nice and quiet, nobody's bothering me, the phone's not ringing. My phone rings off the hook in the daytime. Here lately, got a lot of scam callers. I don't know if you guys overseas get them or not, but sure get them here. I probably get 4 to 8 a day. People calling, most of them trying to sell me insurance, which those who know me know that I think insurance is the closest to a dirty word you'll ever get in your whole life. Makes people irresponsible. I can go on and on. I'm not even going to get started. But anyway, that's where most of our calls come from. Wax on, wax off. Remember that? This coat is not going to stay up there. Probably take it off. It's not bad out there, do it. We've been having some really cool mornings. The flies have calmed down, but a little bit of warm weather, boy, they come right on back. I'm just roughing the edge up a little bit. I'm going to open up a new box of 1/4-inch staple. Fasten this on here. that ready. Alright. Leaves this handy. And what I probably didn't show you is I put on this little workbench extension right here because this assembly is bigger than 48 inches or bigger than 44 and a half. You know, I got that 2x4 in the end. I got a little spot right here. It's pretty solid, nice and level for the tip that comes from working and clamping area. Always doing little modifications here and there, you know. Alright, so that is 3 pieces there, 2 pieces there. And we're ready to glue. Let me get some epoxy I got in here warming up. I hear one of the major betting sites is predicting whether or not I'll have epoxy left over at the end. So get in your bet now on that. I'll give you a hint. If you got epoxy left over, by gosh, probably didn't do it right. That's quite a bit of epoxy. This plywood sucks it up. All right, next 30 seconds. Remember to scrape the sides. Hope you have beautiful weather wherever you are. Let me see to our Scandinavian friends. I reckon it's pretty chilly around your house right now. Going into winter. Down there to our Australian friends, your winter is coming to an end, I guess, and it's starting to get some mild weather. Probably starting to see the crocodiles now, eh, mate? Here in southeast Virginia, you end up having chilly nights and really nice days all the way through mid-November usually. And then the jet stream comes through and all that gets us. All right. Thanks, whoever just reminded me. We're going to need some wax paper on this job. I can count on you guys to remind me of that stuff. I appreciate it. Before, instead of trying to just put a little bit here and a little bit there, just cover the whole thing. Be nice and sealed up. Whew. Boy, that was a job. I guess y'all would believe that. Alright, so see how straight they are. Well, now we need straight up. Put it up against this little bit of pavement. Straight already. Yeah. Good on that one. So, got those bars done. I can start cutting some little wooden blocks that go in here and there and some other stuff. I need to mold me another piece of dozing. That'll be it for this episode. My stomach's roaring. I think it's way past supper time. Sun's getting ready to go down. That was like the harder part of doing this stuff. I don't know if you remember from the vertical stabilizer. But I got a lot to go. But she's shaping up. I did get a piece of wood to put in place of where my plywood was too short on the fuselage. Came in this morning. And a little piece of RS8 for a scab. So if I get somebody to help me roll that over, I might get that in. Got some varnishing I can do inside. I picked up a gallon of varnish yesterday, along with this nice little coping saw. He said one of these a long time ago. It's been a while. But I hope you enjoyed, however much you can enjoy watching people put glue on. It's funny how just a little bit of wood, though, these things turn into good structure. We're going to have hinges just like on the other stuff. Hinges and all kinds of stuff going in here on the next episode. Hope you have a great evening. Hope God's blessed you like He has me. If He hasn't, He said all you got to do is pray and ask for it. And that's what He means. Take care. I'll see you later.